Good auto gang out here. Mobile service. On a brake job. Front rotors. Drive from Caliper, brake pads. And I think the rear, passenger rear, Caliper. What is yours? I think it's a 2015, I believe. 2013. We'll get ahead and got the wheels off already. After this brake job, they are gonna need some tires. ASAP. Again, shout out Rock Auto, Bob Chevy, Jeff Chevy, and Derek's Cadillac. Stop playing. One day I'm gonna have my Monte Carlo and my Tudo Tahoe on here. But I got some shoes for my dog, for his child. So since I'm here, his birthday was a few days ago, I'm gonna go ahead and bless young boy up, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we're looking like. Front rotors, brake pads. Y'all know what brake pads look like. Driver side Caliper. So I'm gonna set y'all up, start taking everything off, and get rocking and rolling. Which I already got the wheels off, so I mean that's a 21. If you got a lock key, you know. I don't try to show the boring stuff, but I guess if y'all want to show it, I'll show it. But anyway, let's get to it. So the backstory behind this, the customer was driving. He's like, man, the brakes kept going to the floor. He called me. He's like, man, the brakes going to the floor. I told him to jump out to see if anything leaking or anything. At first it wasn't. Then as he started driving more, as he was pressing the brakes, it started smoking. So the issue we have here is the piston on the Caliper extended all the way out. So this little piston right here extended all the way out. Then once it extends all the way out, you know, it breaks the seal, the gasket on it, and starts pouring out the brake fluid. So that's where we're pouring our brake fluid from these pistons. So get this off. It's a 21 millimeter. It's probably, let's see what this is. So these two bolts are 21. Which impact is easy to come off. And y'all see what I'm talking about. Extended all the way out, and that's how the fluid was coming out. It probably don't have brake fluid in there since it's all that came out, so sometimes I get grip pliers and tighten this down so the brake fluid doesn't seep out. So but once I do this, then I have to bleed the brakes again, start from the passenger rear, driver rear, passenger front, then driver front. To properly bleed these brakes, you want to do it like a start from the back, furthest back to the closest front. Oh, we starting to leak now. So I'm gonna get this off. Alright, I thought I was on thing. Got the new Caliper rotor on. Just gotta put the brake pads on, wherever they at, over there somewhere. So I gotta grease this up. I'm gonna grab the bleed this, open this up so it can start dripping. I know I'm about to run to the auto parts store because I forgot my brake fluid. So, and the screws right here are 14, 21, 8, 10 millimeter. So I'm like, I see blood. What the heck? I ain't allowed bleeding until I know y'all see that brake clean over there. Until I just went to spraying the brake clean, that shit hit my hand. I was like, oh Lord, what the hell going on? Yeah, that was crazy. So I initially came with a sweatshirt on, a hoodie, because Louisiana weather is kind of stupid. Like if you stay out here, you know, it was raining last night, so you figure it'd be kind of cold because it got colder last time it rained. But now I'm out here sweating, so it's like I'm about to come out this long sleeve. Man, if you stay in Louisiana, you know, you might wake up, it might be freezing outside. By 12, you got shorts on. By 3, your bag's sweating.
How you doing, man?
What's going on?
Oh, pretty good. Glad this rain stopped.
Yeah.
I tell you.
The weather out here confusing.
Yeah, it's rain all night.
Man, I'm thinking, all right, it's raining. I'm gonna come outside. It's gonna be cool. It's hot as hell right now.
You ain't joking. That's
So y'all see what I'm saying. Come outside, things gonna be cold. You bundle up and shit. You out here sweating like you at football practice. Like, goddamn. Shout out that Sharon, you hear me? Coming through like a Mac attack, you heard me? Y'all don't get old. That's all I'm gonna say. Make sure you stretch, exercise, eat your breakfast. Some days I got it, some days I don't. My right knee is killing me. Need to give me a lazy boy chair. Uh-huh. All right. Show this button up. So the driver's side is done. I just gotta bleed the brakes now. Go on the passenger side, do the same thing. I just gotta do the road. I'm not doing a caliper, so road and pads. Then I'll bleed the system, take it for a test drive, and hope I don't die with these bald tires, cause they on these. See the girl, shit, they on they bald head whole shit today. Front, back, side to side. But we gonna make sure they ride. Alright, don't. Oh, look, it come with blood, sweat, and tears with this. Look at the blood, you hear me? I'm gonna charge a little extra for that. Get my my blood type. And also, when you do your rotors, they come like some kind of little protective film, so they're not rusting anything in the shop when they store it. So you wanna take your brake clean and just come around and see how, see that stuff? All right, we good. So now, since rotor clean, start taking everything apart, put it on, we'll be good. New rotors, brake pads. And look how he was grinding like Tony Hawk. Look at this brake pad. Running the power store, get that brake fluid, and be good to go. As I'm thinking to myself, where I'm at, they don't have no auto parts store. Aha, the gas station. They never fail. Let's see. All right, I got me some Super HD brake fluid, Cam 2. You know what I'm saying? It's that Cam Jordan, Cam Newton of brake fluid, you hear me? Look at my finger. Sheesh. Y'all think the TV is still good? What the fuck y'all be doing in your house for every Black Friday? Y'all gotta buy a TV. Nigga, I've been having the same TV for I can't even tell you how long. But it's time to get a new one, but nah, damn. Every Black Friday, y'all buying TVs. And then it gets to a point where like, what y'all doing in the crib? Ain't no way in the world. You know what I'm saying? So, got a little sprinkle going on. So I'm gonna try to get up out of here. So I probably actually should have got 3. Probably should have got 3 cans. But I only got 2, because I'm like, oh yeah, 1 can I know for sure. 3 cans. But yeah, once I get the pumping and everything, yeah, I'm gonna have to, stop at the store. I might just test drive it back to the store and get another can and be done with it. Alright, gang. Doing my test drive. And I feel like I'm in a lazy boy chair. God damn, B. Boy, you need some windshield wipers next. Well, it look clear on the screen, but when I say I can't see, I can't see right now. And I'm sitting so far back. Oh yeah, but we got brakes. We got brakes. That's the main thing. As long as the motherfuckers stop. Cause imagine you be in an F-150, your brakes go out. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, do I got the brake? Alright, I'm about to make sure I ain't got the emergency brake on. And we good, so make sure if you got to replace the caliper, you make sure you relieve the brakes. Yeah, he definitely gonna need a windshield wiper because God, watch when they come across. I'm about to speed it up. Y'all see that? I can't see. Y'all probably can see, but I can't see. So before I wreck this customer truck, and I gotta give him one of my cars because I can't afford a truck right now, so I just give you my truck. So let me get off here. I'm gonna pull y'all back up when I'm pulling up. Cause dang, when I say I can't see, gang, I can't see. All right, gang, 2013 F-150. Front brakes, rotors, driver side caliper, 22mm, 14, you know, ain't too shabby. Pretty simple. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a comment, like, thumbs up, whatever you gotta do, baby. Like, subscribe. But I gotta figure out what's going on with this, what's it called? Cause all the doors closed. It keeps saying this door not shutting. So it must be something. But this not reading or something. Good old Ford, and that's why the light keep coming on. So I don't know. You about to lock it or something? Let's see. Nope. No. Yeah, gang. Y'all like, subscribe. We out, baby. And we got stopping power. And them brakes look so good. So he gonna need some tires next. Cause he on his bald head who shit. And some windshield wipers, cause Lord, it's like Stevie Wonder driving this thing. I can't see where to nothing. Look at it. What? No bueno. Muy no bueno. Nah.